Hey there, my name is Carl Henderson, and I'm the founder of Uptrend AI Agency. Today, I'm going to take you through Zapier Central and how to use their tools to provide the best AI solutions to your first client. Now, I really love Zapier Central because they provide everything in an easy-to-use interface. All right, you guys, we are in Zapier Central. One thing I really love about Zapier is that they give you a co-pilot. So I can enter a prompt on what workflow I want to automate. So I'm going to start with saying using a Google Sheet, Doc, and Slack, create an automated workflow for data entry communication. So now it's going to work its magic, and I'm going to show you how I tweak the steps. So after I clicked on try it, it now brings us to this automated workflow step by step, starting with Google Sheets. So now that we have our Google Sheets connected, I do think that Google Forms would be the best trigger to start this flow. So what I'm going to do now, I went ahead and changed out Google Docs for Google Forms. So now every time there is a new or updated form response, we will then be able to update it in Google Sheets. Select your form value, and I'm choosing the feedback form. Continue. And we're gonna go ahead and test. So with the Google Sheets, we're gonna set the event trigger to be update spreadsheet row. So as soon as the Google form entry has been entered, the Google Sheet will automatically enter as well. And here, I think a lot of people get confused. I know I was at least. You want to enter sample data so that you can test if this works. So that's what all these empty spaces are right here. And you see the feedback form is in my email. Okay. And then I'm going to name it Carl's feedback. And I'm just going to say something random like submit it, and it should automatically send it to the Google Sheet. This is so exciting just because a year ago I couldn't do this, right? We had no access to something like this. So I can't imagine where it's going to be in a year or two. Let's go back to Zapier and add in the final step to this automation. I connected my Slack account, and I'm going to pick a channel. So you can pick a channel to have the Google Sheet go to in the automation. And what I personally like to do is I like to link the feedback sheet in the chat. You can also display the data as it is. All I have to do now is just click on this sheet, and it's going to take us right to the feedback. Bada boom, bada bang. So now you just click publish, and you can share this with a potential client. Any prospects you have, anybody interested in your AI agency, I would share this with them so that they can test it for themselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe because I'll show you my Figma presentations, I'll show you how I use AI to create slide decks and more. And oh my God, the AI for slide decks have helped me so much just because I used to have to do it manually. All the graphic design, it was a headache. I'm so glad that you came here and you're interested in Zapier Central. Be sure to subscribe because I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about creating the best AI solutions and prospecting the best clients for your AI agency. With that being said, comment below if you're starting your agency, what is your agency's name? Link it in the comment section, we'll collab, and I'll see you in my next video.